with profound admiration and humility that I stand before you on this momentous occasion to celebrate 25 years of your unparalleled and revered leadership, and auspiciously the 150th anniversary of the end of the Sarkodie War, two historic events that showcase the enduring cultural heritage and traditions of the Asanti Kingdom. On behalf of the trustees of the Victoria and Albert Museum in London, I extend my deepest congratulations and sincere gratitude for the invitation. We gather today in the presence of exceptional and beautiful objects that bear witness to the rich heritage and artistic prowess of the Asanti people. These treasures, once looted by British forces in 1874, have rightfully found their way back to the Manchester Palace Museum through a collaborative effort between our institutions. The journey that has led to this moment has been one of dialogue and mutual respect. It is a decades-long journey, but Your Majesty's official visit to London in May last year, where we met together to discuss a landmark cultural exchange and partnership, accelerated the process. It is no surprise that Your Majesty, an agent of peace and unity in Ghana, has also been a leader for healing and reconciliation internationally. I extend my deepest appreciation to your two technical advisors, Ivor Ajamandua and Professor Malcolm McLeod, whose tireless efforts have been instrumental in making this collaboration a reality. We're also immensely grateful to the Manchester Palace Museum staff and associated experts, Julie Hudson from the British Museum and Angus Patterson from the V&A, for so generously sharing their knowledge and support. As director of the V&A, I'm filled with both a deep sense of responsibility and of pride. We acknowledge the very painful history surrounding the acquisition of these objects, a history tainted by the scars of imperial conflict and colonialism. We also recognize the enduring cultural, historical, and spiritual significance these artifacts hold for the Asante people. It is a true honor and indeed a highlight of the V&A's history to be able to support this homecoming exhibition and to see the Asante crown regalia on display in their homeland. These treasures have borne witness to the triumphs and trials of a great kingdom, and their return to Kumasi is a testament to the power of cultural exchange and reconciliation. Through this partnership, we've embarked on a journey of knowledge exchange, skill sharing, and mutual understanding, recognizing the invaluable contribution of the Asante people to the world's cultural heritage, as we shall hear from our colleague from UNESCO. The V&A remains dedicated, alongside the British Museum, to sharing its collections as widely as possible and embracing the opportunities for healing and reconciliation that such partnerships offer. Your Majesty, on this momentous occasion, we celebrate not only your remarkable reign, but also the resilience and achievements of the Asante people and the enduring power of cultural exchange. May this fabulous exhibition serve as a catalyst for further collaboration, mutual respect, and a deeper appreciation of the shared humanity and the culture of creative endeavor that binds us all. Thank you for inviting me here today, and once again, deepest and heartfelt congratulations on your Silver Jubilee, Your Gracious Majesty.